What's up, guys? My name is Lex. I am with Lex Auto Detail. That's actually my own mobile auto detailing business. I'm new to this YouTube making videos thing, so I thought, hey, why not for my first video, let's make a ceramic coating maintenance wash how-to of mine. So this is my own personal vehicle, which is also my business vehicle. I travel with my family in this car, and honestly, I really hate cleaning this car. As much of a detailer that I am, I don't know why, but cleaning this car is a pain. So to make my life easier, I actually applied a ceramic coating to it, so that way I can take less time washing the car. So right now I am cleaning the wheels. They're actually not that dirty at all. So I am using what is it called? I forgot the name of it. P&S Brake Buster. It's diluted 5-to-1 in my 32-ounce bottle there, and I'm using that to clean the wheel wells, the rim, and the tire. So I am using the DPC wheel woolies. I'm using the long one. I'm using the angled one to get behind the spokes, and I'm using a soft Flagtip brush to clean the face and the tire. And I'm also using a long handled brush for the wheel wells. So just to tell you a little bit about myself, I am a 21-year-old, and I've been detailing for about a year now, professionally. To be more specific, I've been car washing / detailing for 5-6 years. But this year is the year that, I went ahead and took the risk, and I'm starting my detailing business and seeing how everything goes for me. I've learned a lot through YouTube, actually, and honestly, I want to say 80% of everything that I know is because of YouTube. And because of that, I thought, hey, why not make a YouTube channel and see if I can make some YouTube videos and hopefully help someone else out with other things that maybe not other details talk about, or new ways or tips or tricks or whatever. So right here I'm using Car Shampoo pH neutral car shampoo that has no wax or no gloss enhancer left behind, so it's safe for ceramic coatings. I'm using it in a foam cannon. I think I put about an ounce of the soap in the foam cannon, and I fill the foam cannon up halfway because I don't need a lot. I'm using a Greenworks 1700 electric pressure washer, 1700 psi, so it's not that much. It has a 1.2 GPM, but I make it work for me. Honestly, it's all I need to wash the car. I am also using a DPC Microfiber wash mitt. This thing is so soft, honestly. It makes my life easier when I wash a car because it just glides over the paint like butter. There's no other way to explain it. If you guys don't have one, I recommend getting one. So I have a DPC shield applied to my vehicle. It is a 1-year ceramic coating. That thing was so easy to apply. I love it. It's works for me because I am mobile and I'm always out in the elements with the sun. So this thing has a long working time, and it was very easy to apply. I am out of direct sunlight, so I went ahead and got my Works leaf blower and decided to dry the car off like that. Usually if I'm in direct sunlight, I will use a plush microfiber towel. That thing is a bazooka. I've never seen myself actually carry it, and now that I'm looking at it, I'm like, whoa, that thing is huge. So now I'm getting the door jambs, as well as the trunk, and I also do the hood jambs. You gotta make sure you do the hood jambs whenever you wash a car, because water does get in there. Now I am cleaning the wheels. I am using Optimum No Rinse diluted as a clay lube. Well, actually no, it's stronger than that. I think I have about 4 ounces to a gallon. I like it better that way. It's much more slick. I am also using O&R to clean the glass at the same dilution rate. Always make sure to get the windshield wipers clean. It does collect a lot of dirt and grime in there. So now I'm going to use a silica sealant topper for my ceramic coating. The one that works well with DPC Shield is obviously DPC Armor. I have it diluted 1:1, so that's 8 ounces of armor and 8 ounces of distilled water. It is a lot more friendlier that way to apply, especially out in the heat and the sun. I didn't show the whole part because it took me a little bit too much time to record. So now moving on to the wheels, I am using Chemical Guys VRP. It's one of my favorite tire dressings. I love the way it looks. And for the wheel wells, I'm using Superior Aqua Gloss diluted 5:1. And this is the end result. If you guys have any questions, comments, leave them down in the comments below. I'll try to make sure to answer each and every one of you. Leave a like if you like this video, subscribe. I'm hopefully going to start putting out more videos like this, or if you have any requests, just let me know, and I will make sure to get back to ya. Thank you for watching.